Hi viewers, welcome to Roastingurad. Today I am going to make a special idli powder, that is gun powder. This is basically from Palakkad side. This is called Ramassery Idli powder. Ramassery Idli is very famous in Palakkad district. So this special idli powder is very tasty, and do try and let me know your comments. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe, like, share and comment, and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification. Now the ingredients required for the Ramassery Idli powder is half cup rice, brown rice I have taken. Actually you have to take Matta rice. You will get it in the Kerala shops. If you ask for Matta rice, they will give you half cup Chana dal, half cup Urid dal, 2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. I have taken 1 teaspoon salt here, quarter teaspoon Hing powder, around 8 to 10 red chilli I have taken. Here 1 teaspoon black til, that is sesame seeds. I have put it in water because there are a lot of dust in it, so to remove the dust I have washed it. Now I will strain this in a strainer and dry it, then we will fry them. Here I have taken an earthen pot for frying the ingredients. Now the rice will take some time to roast, so you have to keep the flame very low and patiently have to roast the rice. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. The rice is roasted now. How to check that? Just take out 2-3 grains and eat it and see. If it is crispy, then the rice is roasted properly. Otherwise that raw taste will be there. Now this we can remove from the kadai. Now we will put the chana dal in it, and this also we will roast it. You have to roast them without oil, that is dry roast all the ingredients. Now here I have kept the sesame seeds in a cloth. If you are planning to make this, you can wash this, strain it and sun dry the same, then you can roast it. This way also you can roast it, there is no problem, till the wetness get evaporated. You have to roast this. So this is nicely roasted. Now the turn of chana dal. You have to roast them separately because otherwise the urad dal will get roasted very fast and chana dal will take some time. So it's better we roast it separately. And this is very tasty powder. And Ramassery Idli, actually the idli batter is put it on a wired earthen pot. I'll show you that Ramassery Idli recipe also. You will come to know how it is made. Along with this Ramassery Idli, you have to serve this powder. It is eaten with sesame oil or ghee. The chana dal is also roasted nicely. Nice aroma comes out of this. Now it is time for us to remove this from the pan. Now the turn of urad dal. The urad dal is also roasted nicely. Nice aroma comes out of it. Now time for us to remove this from the pan. Now we will put the black pepper. So you can hear the sound of bursting. That time you can remove the black pepper. Now the cumin seeds. It won't take much time to roast the cumin seeds. The exact quantity of the salt I will give it in the description box. Now I have taken only 1 teaspoon. After grinding this, let me check, then if it is required again you have to roast the salt and then mix it with the powder. We will remove this. This is done. Now the curry leaves. 1 sprig of curry leaves is enough. Now this is done. Now we will put the salt in it. Curry leaves are crispy. See? I think we need more salt. Anyway, we'll roast it later on and add to the powder. We'll come to know when we grind this. So that time we can roast it, or you roast it and keep it, and if it is required you can add. I'll do that. I will add 2 teaspoons of salt. We'll roast it and keep it. We'll add it according to the requirement. This we are roasting to remove the moisture from the salt. Remove it separately. Now we will add the red chilli. Before frying the chili, you can keep it in the sun and dry it, and then you can roast it. So it becomes crispy very fast. One more ingredient we have to roast it is the black sesame seed. Now this is also done. We will remove this. Just throw this seeds because this is burnt. Otherwise it will give a bitter taste, burnt taste. The sesame seed, I'll just close the lid. Otherwise it will splutter everywhere. Now this is done. We will remove this also. So the entire process for roasting the same took around 45 minutes. Now these are ready here. We'll allow them to cool, then we will powder it. Remember to keep the salt separately. According to the requirement we can add while grinding the powder.